CRZ वाठारात रेंव काडप सोपे जावचे हे खातीर 2011चे अधिसुचोवणीत दुरुस्ती करून रेंव काडप कायदेशीर करपाचे यत्न करतले। ते खातीर केंद्र सरकाराक गारणे घालपाचें थारायलां। पर्यावरण मंत्री निलेश काब्रालान सांगलें। रेंव काडपाचे प्रकार दोन कडेन घडटात, CRZ एरियांत आनी हेर कडेन। CRZ वाठारांतल्या रेंव वेव्हार केंद्रा कडेन संबंद राखून आसत जाल्यार CRZ वाठारा भायले म्हटल्यार नॉन CRZ वाठारांतले रेंव वेव्हार राज्य सरकाराक लागतात। सगळीच कडेन बिनधास्त रेंव काडप चालू आशिल्ल्याचें NIOन दाखोवन दिलां, अशें निलेश काब्रालान सांगलें।
प्रेसामध्ये खूपशे चर्चा जाता की सँडाचो इशू जो हा CRZ आसा। आता सँड बाय नोटिफिकेशन वी हॅव बीन ट्रायिंग दॅट सँड should be allowed in the state of Goa for extraction कायदेशीर। आणि अनफॉर्च्युनेटली खूपशे गोष्टी ते डायरेक्शनाक वचोंक ना आणि वी हॅव बीन आस्किंग द सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंट टू चेंज द CRZ इन CRZ एरिया। सी देर आर टू टायप्स ऑफ सँड एक्सट्रॅक्शन। एक पयलीं क्लियर करता तुमकां। एक इज सँड एक्सट्रॅक्शन इन CRZ एरिया इज गवर्न बाय द notification of the CRZ Act of the central notification. Outside CRZ, it is the state act which comes into. So I am talking about specific in the CRZ area where sand has to be extract जावपाक जाय। तितू भितर we have been asking the central government to change and we are processing and we are asking them to give us, allow us permission, because in CRZ notification it is only allowed in dry river belt, which is after rains when the river becomes less, that is the time the sand can be extracted, but otherwise it cannot be extracted. So आमचे खंयचोच river dry जायना आणि उरता ओलो. So that is why in the CRZ area, because there are non-CRZ areas also where sand can be extracted, where CRZ regulations don't come into effect. In the CRZ area, we have been trying and we had a meeting, secretary has also mentioned, आमची NCDMA ची meeting झाली on 1st September, where all these points were discussed. But however, we have to make a change in the act. So now 11 is already over. So we are making in 2019, we are making representations where we may, as coastal, I have talked to my competitor from Maharashtra, Karnataka, not to Kerala yet, where all these coastal states where we have a problem where we don't have dry river beds, we should be allowed, because AMI at the state of Goa, technically for last 2 years, plus 2 years, we are now, NIO has been appointed to give us study, and they have shown us that sand accretion is happening on both the sides.
गोवा 365 खातीर पणजेच्यान श्यामचारी।